In problem number 2, we've got this shaded football shape that's created inside of this square. And the way that it says that it's created is that essentially there's an arc is drawn with the center at B, and we draw this arc, okay? So the radius of this arc is essentially the same as the side length of the square, okay? So this is the center of this arc. I'll kind of draw it here. And this is the center of this arc, okay? So we're asked to find the area of this shaded region. So my hint to you would be to pull this apart, divide this up in some way that you can figure out the area a little more easily. So what I did, there's probably more than one way to do it, but what I did is I divided this football shape in half. And then essentially we've got, let's see if I can draw this decently. So we've got this sort of quarter circle here, like this. So this is D, this is A, and this is C. This would be E out here, right? And if we were to draw a dotted line here, oops, our shaded region is in here. Okay? So you can see that this shaded region is going to be this half of the football shape. And we'd have a similar shaded region. I'm going to draw a smaller one up here. Okay, we have a quarter circle. This is A, and this is B, and this is C, and we draw a dotted line here. And this shaded region, let's see if I can draw the lines differently so that you can see that they're different. Okay, so that this shaded region is this shaded region. Okay, and really they're the same. You know, so it's symmetrical about this line from A to C. These regions, these two regions here, this A, E, C arc region here and this region are the same. So really we just need to figure out one and then multiply it by 2. Okay? So I guess that's my hint to you. Alright, so let's go ahead and solve this. Alright, well, you can see here we have a quarter circle, and you can see here, let me pick up a highlighter. So we have this quarter circle, and we could figure out the area of that. So let me see if I can highlight it reasonably well here. So here's our quarter circle. And we could find the area of that. We can also find the area of this triangle here. Okay, there's a triangle right here. Okay? And if we subtract the area of that triangle from the quarter circle, we'll have this little half football shape here. So let's go ahead and do that. So let's see. The area of the quarter circle is 1/4 of pi r squared. And I think we're also told that the side length is a unit square. So the side length is 1, this side length is 1, this side length is 1. So essentially the radius of the circle is 1. Okay? So if we substitute 1 for r, we just get pi over 4 is the area. Okay? And then we can figure out the area of the triangle. So this pink triangle here, just 1/2 base times height, right? 1/2 base times height. And again, it's a unit square, so 1/2 base times height is just 1/2 times 1 times 1, because the height is 1 and the base is 1. So we have a half, okay? So if we want to find the area of this AEC, this little shaded region here, we would just take the area of the quarter circle and subtract. So we'd take the area of the quarter circle, which is pi over 4, and we subtract a half, okay? And that gives us the area of this thing, just this shaded region. But we've actually got two of those, right? We've got this shaded region and we got this shaded region. So let's multiply that by 2, okay? And we use the distributive property, and we multiply both things inside the parentheses by 2. So that gives us pi over 2 minus 1, okay? So that is the answer. Alright, so we've got 2 of these little half footballs, okay? And that's what we've, so with the half football is just the quarter circle minus the triangle. And we got 2 of those, so we get pi over 2 minus 1.